So with Downer, I sort of look after various type of projects, structures, bridges, and other sort of asset structures that NZTA own for North Canterbury network.
On this Bealey Bridge remediation project, there are a lot of challenges we faced. Some key ones were around the weather, obviously positioned 10 kilometres from Arthur's Pass. Another key challenge was the containment of the lead paint, actually containing that to prevent it from falling in the river was a major problem. Another one was around the actual traffic management, so it's a one-lane bridge, so it had to be closed for around 15 minutes at a time. All in all, worked very well.
Not releasing any other lead-based paint particles into the waterway. That was our main concern. I think it did work.
To overcome the issue of the existing lead paint on the bridge, we used our fibre containment system. Basically hangs off the edge of the bridge, has a special fibre on it, so that anything that does come off gets caught, it gets pulled up and removed from site safely.
We've got systems and processes when we start and manage projects. You had all the good systems in place in order to complete this job. So we scrutinize all of those. So which you guys have met, obviously. So it was nicely done.
Executing a project like this successfully in the middle of the Southern Alps has obviously got geographical challenges. Often the stakeholders can't be on site. So we utilise our daily 5x5 report. Every morning the team are on site showing the photographs of what's actually happening. That becomes the eyes and ears in the field.
I used to get all those updates every morning, what was happening and throughout the project and where they are at, how much completed and how much is left to do. That was great. We had pretty bad weather for 3 days, I think, and then guys managed it pretty well. And they completed the job actually even before we expected.
So overall this project was a big success. It came in under time, under budget, and the Downer team were absolutely brilliant to work with.